Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So in today's video guys, come with me and let's go take a look at this model home in one of the most expensive city in the GTA. It's very stunning. It's newly built. It's a very quiet community looking very luxe. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So guys, let's go see some model homes. I guess people live down that side. So this is a model home. Guys, let me put away my key. So yeah guys, these are Madame E model homes. So let's go in this one first. I guess they have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go in this one first. And this is 24 ohms. The Rosebank 24 da 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 da. So this is what it is. So let's go in. We have to take our shoes off, guys. So this is what it is. And the color, the paint is so nice. This is the powder room. So this is the powder room. This is what it is. This is the entrance right here. This is the entrance. So I guess this door maybe to the basement. Oh, it's a coat closet. Very modern. I think it's a coat closet. Detail baseboard. I love it. So this is what it is, guys. You come in. This is the kitchen. Very, very nice. This is the kitchen, guys. So yes, chandelier, pot lights, kitchen, very nice. I love the color. I love the color. Pot lights throughout. Kitchen cupboard is eye, ceiling is eye, chandelier. So this is what it is. Nice big drawers. Guys, this is like a farm house. This is the island right here. Sink is in the island. And this is Madame E. And the chairs is right here. Love the floor. Big windows right here. Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Nice, good. And this is a big island right here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. So this is what it is. So, and then there's a table right here. So basically this is the living living and dining, kitchen and family room. So here guys, and this is so nice. Yes, very well decorated. And then this is the family room, and this is the family room right here. And then this is, I think maybe this, I don't know, maybe this is a little sitting area. I don't know, but very nice guys. Big backyard. Big backyard guys. So then this maybe is nice little area right here. And guess, let me see what's in this door. Oh, next closet. Closet right there. And then this maybe to the garage, and then that's to the basement. So let's go to the basement first. Let's go to the basement first, guys. Nice, nice. Basement is finished, guys. Loving it. Big basement. Wow, wide open. Small windows, guys. Wow, this basement is huge, guys, huge. And everything is at the side. Right, everything is at the side right there. Guys, the color, the paint, I think the paint is so pretty. Windows, guys, the windows are small, but it's doable. So yeah guys, this is the basement right here. So this is what a nicely decorated. I think this is classic gray. The color, the paint color is classic gray. So now guys, we're going to go upstairs. Very, very pretty guys. Now we're going to go upstairs and see. So now let's go upstairs. So this is the upstairs. Let's go see how much bedroom we have upstairs. Guys, this is pretty, very pretty. This is the chandelier. So this is the view from upstairs. And that's, you guys, so guys, this is one room. I guess this is the master bedroom because it's huge, nicely decorated. Oh wow guys, wow, this is nice. 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 Wow guys, this is pretty. This is nice. Very, very pretty. Guys, it's well decorated. And it's a model home, Matome model home. And this well decorated, guys. Well decorated. And that's a door right there. So this is the walk-in closet. So that's one bedroom. I think that's the master bedroom. And then this is the laundry room. Very nice. This is the laundry. The floor is nice, guys. I think this floor throughout it's hardwood. So this is the laundry. This is the next bedroom, guys. Very nice. Very nice. It's not as big. And the doors, guys, are huge, long. They're like almost to the ceiling. But I didn't take any paper to see what's this, what's the length of the door or anything like that, guys. So 1, 2. So this is 3. This is the next bedroom. Guys, this is the next bedroom right here. And it have the ceiling right there. And this is a closet. This is a closet. Good space. And then this is the main bathroom. This is the main bathroom with a tub. This is what it is. Loving the tile, guys. Detail. There's a window. Very nice. Floor is nice too. And then this is a little baby room, as you could see. Very pretty, guys. This is a pink room. I guess they're catering for a baby girl. Yeah, guys, so this is one. So now I'm going to show you a next. I think there are 3, so I'm going to show you all 3. So this is 1. And so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. So now we're going back outside, guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. And let me know if you already buy out from the builder. Guys, a lot of people like the newly renovated or newly built. So let me know what your thoughts are if you like to go look at these lovely homes. So guys, thanks for watching, and I catch you in my next video. Bye guys.